Hi, in this session we will be discussing of Venn diagrams in a set. So how to draw a Venn diagrams for a given set. So actually what is a Venn diagram? Venn diagram is nothing but a picture representation. It is a picture representation of the relationship between or among the sets or some objects, right? Venn diagram is nothing but a picture representation. It is a picture representation, and usually we give the picture representation for discussing or for defining the relationship between or among the sets or some objects that have some common thing. Now for example, if we take an example, we denote the Venn diagram with the following illustration. So if suppose A is equal to 1, 2, 1, 3 and 4, and the set B is equal to 2, 4. So when I represent this a set with a set of number of elements with open and closed braces like this. So this is an open brace and this is a closed brace, and in between open and closed brace, if I represent an elements like this, then I will say this is a set, right? This is a set. The same set I can represent with the help of some diagram, which is known as our Venn diagram. It is known as Venn diagram. So the same set I am representing with one circle, and this is a set A, and in this set A I have elements 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now if I have set B, this is my set B, and the elements in the set are 2, 4. I have defined the same set with the picture of Venn diagram like this. So this is a simple Venn diagram of individual set A, and this is set B. But what exactly the definition of a Venn diagram? It means that usually we use these Venn diagrams for obtaining a relationship between these two sets, right? So if I want to have some relation between these two sets, then I can go for a Venn diagram. So we'll see how it happens. So we'll consider our same set. So our set is A is equal to, what is the set A? The elements of 1, 2, 3 and 4. So B is equal to, my set B is, what is it? 2 and 4, right? So I have considered the sets like this, 2 and 4, right? So this is my set A and my set B. Okay, now I am going to define a new relation, which is A union B. A union B. What is A union B? A union B is nothing but union of both A and B, which is the collection of A and B elements. So in my set A I have the elements like 1, 2, 3 and 4, and in the set B I already have 2 and 4, which I already have entered 2, 4. So this is my A union B, which is the union of both A and B. So if I observe this A union B, all the elements are in A as well as in B. See, if I take 1, 2, 3 and 4, yes, this is in A, and if I take elements 2, 4, it is in B. So our A union B is nothing but the collection of the elements of A and B. Now how I can represent this A union B set? How I can represent this A union B? Now it is a set. So for that, what you have to do, first you just select or you draw your A set. This is your A set, or you can just draw, this is your set A, and you have set B, right? this is my set B, this is my set B, and I'm going to write combination of A union B. So how you can derive? The another set will be just inside of your set. So this is my B set, right? So this is my A set and this is my B set. So in set A, what I have in set A? In set A I have the 1. In set A I have 1, 2, 3 and 4. And set B I have 2, 3, 2 and 4, right? Sorry, 2 and 4. So my new set A union B is the entire set of A as well as B, which is the union. So I have to consider all the elements in A and all the elements in B. So my new set will be A union B will be 1, 2, 3 and 4, and 2 and 4 already we have. So this is how you can represent A union B with the Venn diagram. This is my A union B. A union B. That means all the elements in this A, that means I can give the shade for this. This is my A as well as this is my B, right? This is my B. So my A union B is nothing but all blue line and this light color orange line. Okay, so my A union B is all the elements of A and B, and we represent this with Venn diagram is like this. So we have to give shade of all the A and the shade of all the B. So both mix is our A union B.